my dear students. A very good morning to all of you and a very warm welcome back to your science class. I hope all of you must have gone through the chapter given by me in the last class in the form of PDF, and also you must have gone through nicely with the explanation of the chapter. You must have done the questions given by me and you must have read the chapter for today's class. Let's start the chapter. We were studying parts of plant. So remember, in the last chapter we studied living and non-living things, and in this chapter we were studying parts of plant. Plant is a living thing, we know. There are two main parts, roots and shoot. The root and shoot, two main parts of a plant are there. The roots were of two types, tap root and fibrous root. The tap root had example carrot, the examples of tap root are carrot, mango, tulsi, rose. And fibrous root, the example were onion, garlic, rice, wheat. These were the example of fibrous root. Then we studied the function of the roots, like roots are fixed in the plant, fix the plant in the soil. It absorbs the water and minerals from the soil for the plant, and what else it does? Sometimes when the plant stores too much of water or food, the root stores it, and such kinds of root are called carrot, radish, beetroot, sweet potato. So these all we studied in the last class. In the first class. Then in the second class, that means the last class that we had, we also studied that the roots, other than the roots, the shoot is the other part. The shoot is the other part. One part is root, so the other part is shoot. The shoot is basically the upper part of the plant. That means root is the part that is below the soil, which cannot be seen. For seeing it, we need to take out the plant from the soil. But for shoot is the visible part. It is the uppermost part which is visible to us. Now the shoot have the stem. Like many plants, they are very strong and they have a thick stem which is called trunk. These are the trees. Then they were climbers, those who are weak and they need some support to climb up. Then they were creepers. They were very weak and they cannot grow because they have very heavy fruits. So they are called creepers. The plants which are very strong and have trunk, they have big leaves or many leaves on their branches, many branches, and it look like a crown or a umbrella. So example were neem, mango and banyan. The example for climbers were the money plant, loofah, turai and betel leaf, that is pan. Then creepers, example of creepers were watermelon. Nowadays watermelon is coming now. And then pumpkin. You all must be eating pumpkin. It is a very nice vegetable. We all eat it. Then function of the stem. Now we will start function of the stem. As the function of the roots were there to take care of the food absorption, the water absorption, maintain the plant in the soil. Now stem also have a function. The shoot, different parts, they have different function. Now let's see what the stem do. The stem support branches which bear leaves. Now root is inside the soil, but the stem is the part that connects the root to the leaves, and the thick stem, it helps the plant to stand. It helps the plant to stand and grow from move here to there. It keeps it up, erect and straight. The stem support branches which bear leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. So whatever is visible to us above the soil, it is all with the support of the stem. It transports water and minerals from the root to the leaves, flowers and fruits. Now the water is taken by the roots from the soil. Yes or no? It contains there. To reach up till leaves is at the upper part. So to reach it up till there, a support is required and a chain is needed. That chain or that connection chain is stem. Like you can stand on your legs. Yes or no? Your legs support you. Yes or no? To be there on the ground, and you walk with your legs. But along with your legs, your middle part, your waist, your stomach, your chest, your upper body till your head. The body is connected. Similarly, from the roots till leaves, everything is connected with the help of stem. Now, the food is there. Now, what helps you to take food? Your mouth helps. You keep your whatever food you get, you keep in your mouth. Then it goes to the stomach. Na? You keep it in your mouth, but till it goes to the stomach, and from the stomach it goes to different body parts in form of energy. Similarly, the food is there in the soil in form of minerals and water. Soil में minerals और water के form में food होता है, जिसे root absorb भी करती है. पर plants के different parts तक स्टेम जो होती है सीधी इरेक्ट खड़ी रहती है या फिर वो टर्न्ड होती है, क्रीपी, क्लॉरी, क्लाइंबर, किसी भी फॉर्म में, लेकिन वो स्टेम एक सपोर्ट होता है, एक लिंक होता है बाय विच द फूड फ्रॉम द रूट्स रीच टू द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट. देन द स्टेम कैरीज फूड प्रिपेयर्ड इन द लीव्स टू द रूट एंड टू ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट. जैसे रूट में पापा बाजार से सब्जियां ला के देते हैं, पर खाना तो मम्मा बनाती है ना, एंड देन यू ईट. सिमिलरली रूट्स क्या करती हैं? रूट्स सॉइल में जितना वाटर और मिनरल है वो उसे इकट्ठा कर लेता है. इट कलेक्ट्स इट एंड दैट वाटर एंड मिनरल इज टेकन बाय स्टेम टू द लीव्स. वहाँ पे लीव्स टेक द प्रोसेस and other things and prepare it as a food, and to the roots and different parts the food reaches with the help of the stem only. In different parts of the plant it reaches with the help of stem. In many plants the stem store extra food. Jaise in many plants the root store extra food, yes or no? The example you remember, the carrot, there was the radish, beetroot, sweet potato. Similarly, in many plants the stem store extra food and become swollen. Swollen means मोटा होना. जब आपके किसी हिस्से में बहुत सारी चीज इकट्ठा हो जाएगी तो swell होने लगते हैं. Now if you keep on lying and start eating lot of food, you get fat. Your tummy start growing because lot of extra food is there. Similarly, the stem start swelling up when lot of food is collected in it. We eat some stems. Such stems we eat. Just some roots we eat. Similarly, we eat some stems also. The example are potato, ginger, and sugarcane. You have seen a potato. It is round in shape. It is a stem because it has a root down and leaves grow from the potato. In potato, you see small eyes are there. We call it eyes. छोटे छेद होते हैं. अगर आप पोटैटो को कुछ दिन आपके यहाँ पड़ा रहे, ऐसे इट इज लाइंग डाउन, यू सी white color birds start coming out from different holes. These holes are the new plants or new leaves erupting from potato. And if you put that potato inside the soil, the roots start growing. So that means potato is a stem. Ginger, sugarcane, these all that stem contains the food, extra food, and we eat these stems. Now, next is the part leaves. Next part is the leaves. The stem bear leaves. Now, not directly stem bear leaves. Sometimes the stem bears branches and there are leaves. Sometimes directly on the stem leaves grow. Leaves are green in color. Most of the leaves, not all leaves, but almost all the leaves are in green color. Some are of different colors, and these leaves changes their color in the different season. Like in spring season these are green, but when the autumn season comes, that is when winter and rain go summer and rain go away and winter is coming, the leaves color changes and it fades. Leaves are green, thin, they are thin, flat and small or big. It can vary from the plant that it is small or big. Different plants have different kinds of leaves. The green color of the leaf is due to the chlorophyll. It is a difficult word. Underline and write the spelling. CHLOROPHYLL. Chlorophyll. It is a substance which is found in the leaves, because of which the leaves are green. Chlorophyll is the substance found in the leaves because of which the leaves are green. Now, a leaf has the following parts. Leaves are following parts. Leaf base. Leaf base is the part of a leaf which is attached to the stem. The leaf base is the part, the stem or the branch which is growing, from which the leaves grow out. That a very thin stem type, पतला सा वो हिस्सा नहीं होता जो स्टेम से पत्ती का जुड़ा रहता है लीफ का, जिसे आप तोड़ते हो. पहली बात तो तोड़ना नहीं चाहिए, it is really bad thing, but sometimes you break it, or if it falls down even, so that attachment is called the leaf base. Leaf sac. Leaf sac is the part of a leaf which joins the lamina to the leaf base. That means lamina is the flat, thin green part of a leaf. Now what is lamina? Let's see the next part. Leaf blade or lamina. So stalk is the part, I told you now that leaf base is connected with the leaves. There is a thin thing that is called leaf stalk. It connects the lamina with the leaf base. That means with the stem. Lamina is a flat, thin green part of a leaf. It is a flat, thin green part of the leaf. The flat part of the leaf. A main vein runs through the middle of the lamina. जो leaf होता है, leaf structure, in the middle there is a vein. If you see a leaf, lot of lines are going in that. The main line in between, it is called midrib. Many side veins arises from the midrib. Many side veins arises from the midrib. Now, with this, we have come to know that stem is the main part of the plant. Other than root, shoots, the main part is stem. Stem connects the root and the leaves. Then sometimes these are in form of trunks. The different plants like trunks, trees, climbers, creepers are there. Stem help the plant to make the food or water or mineral collected by the roots to take to the leaves. Then leaves processes, and the food is then again with the help of stem, it goes in the different parts. Sometimes the extra part is absorbed by the stem, and that stem is eaten by us, in like potato, ginger and sugarcane. Now we have leaves. Leaves are the leaves are bared by the stem. Leaves are green in color. They are thin, flat. They may be bigger or small. Leaves have the following parts: leaf base, which is connected to the stem or branch; leaf stalk, that connects the lamina and the leaf base. Lamina is the flat green leaf, flat green part of the leaf, which is thin. That means the main leaf base is lamina. It is also called leaf blade. Then a main vein runs through the middle of the lamina. It is called midrib. You have seen a leaf. There is a main part called midrib. Many side veins arises from the midrib. Many side veins arises from the midrib. Now, there is a one. In the next class, we will continue the function of leaves, the flowers, the function of the leaves, the flowers, fruits and seeds. But today I give you an homework to draw the parts of leaf, and along with that to draw a full plant showing the stem that can be eaten. So you can draw potato, ginger or sugarcane, and also along with that you have to draw a part of a leaf. Till then, for the next class, please go through this explanation. I'm going slowly so that you can understand. It's a new chapter. It had lots of part. You have grown up. It has lot of content. I'm going slowly. Go through the chapter, understand it, and again read the chapter. Take care of yourself. Stay home. Stay safe. Okay? Take care.